Hello guys, I'm here in my bed and then I getting rest with my coworker. I'm getting rest guys. My hair is still wet, so now I'm getting rest. We are finished to cook for dinner. Slowly. Hi guys. So now I'm sad because my brother have accident and her mouth is some injured, and then now he is in the hospital. So the I don't know, the doctor or the nurse stitch her mouth because some like that. Yeah, that's why I'm so sad because my brother is accident in his work. Her wife told me last time that my brother and my sister-in-law is in the hospital for admit. Yes guys, kawawa yung kapatid ko kasi na disgrasya si guys. He has accident in her work. Yes, and later I update what the situation of my brother because he was in hospital. Yeah, some injured here. So slowly. Kawawa yung kapatid ko, guys. Nandito yung kasama ko. Mataw po sa iyang higaan. Kaya medyo nahiya konti. Oy, what is notification? Basa pa yung buhok ko. Ayan. Tagal matanggal to. Kaya na tayo tumatanggal. Dami kong Natatawa ko sa sarili ko. Sure. Akong buang. Dami ko palang along. Dito. Ay, kumusta kayo yung kapatid ko, Lord? Sana okay lang siya. Kapoy mangi tagtrabaho. Nipis pula yung ano ko dito. Sana okay lang yung kapatid ko, Lord. Please.